Welcome back to We Be Kids again. In this week's nature resource, we are going to show you how to make one of these lovely natural picture frames and then take it on an adventure and make your walk a nature connection journey.
Yeah.
In order to do that, we're going to collect a few materials. We're going to need some sticks, some twine, some paper and some pens. Find 4 sticks which match the size of the picture frame that you'd like. If you'd like a rectangle, you want 2 long and 2 short, or a square, get them all the same size. Be sure to measure your ambition. Some sticks might be a bigger task than others. Once you've got your pile of sticks, select which 4 you would like to use and lay them down in the shape of your picture frame. We're going to use about 1 metre of twine for each corner, so we cut 4 pieces. With our twine, we're going to attach it to the sticks as close to the cross as possible. We're just going to use a simple overhand knot, nothing fancy, like so. We're then going to do something called a square lash, and in order to do that, I'm going to take the twine, I'm going to keep my hand close to the working end, I'm going to go under the horizontal piece, over the vertical piece, under the horizontal, over the vertical. And I'm going to keep that nice and tight as I do it, and we're going to do that 3 times. Once we've done it 3 times, we're going to do something that's called frapping, and that holds the lashing together. And we just go the opposite round, and we turn and pull. Wrap it around the lash and tightening it each time. We're then going to take the tail end from when we attach the string with this end, and we're just going to tie an overhand knot and another to bind it together. And we're going to repeat that process on each of the corners of the frame. If you like, you can decorate your frame with some nature finds such as feathers or berries, leaves or grasses. An important element of nature connection is identifying the emotions that we feel when we're out in nature. So we're going to take this picture frame, we're going to go on a walk with it, and we're going to look at some of the beautiful things that nature gives us, and we're going to write on this paper the emotions that we feel. So we hope you've enjoyed this resource. It's helped you and your family connect with each other and with nature and give you all a boost to your well-being. So thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids, and we hope to see you again sometime soon.
Bye.
Bye.